So to wash this, and we have to wash the lychees. Actually guys, this lychees is free. They don't charge us nothing for this in the store. Very generous. Shout out to lovely owner. Salute to you guys. Merry Christmas in advance. It's a gift to everyone and the customer. So after I wash it thoroughly with the fruit and bar soup, wash it thoroughly and rinse it, and then just put it here. So put in the fridge so stay longer, because the weather is so heat wave here now and it's too hot. So if you put the fruits outside, it will quickly rotten because of the fruit flies, I guess. So you can also fill them, and I like this product because you can put fruit here or anything food, and then you're gonna cut them or open it and then put the lid on there and then put this. Okay, open it or close, so that's good. We do that, and we're gonna do halfway only, so that way if I don't open it now and do it one by one, so easy to eat. If I open it now and then maybe it will rot if no one eating it. But actually everybody in the house love fruits, so I don't think it will be rotten, especially the lychees or seasonal fruits for every December. Yeah. And the watermelon, I already cut that because the half watermelon is $10, more than $10, more than $2 a kilo. My gosh, it's so expensive, but it's okay. You can eat the money, so yeah. Okay, put in the fridge, and whenever family member eating, open it, and then you're gonna, how do you close it? Like this, or you leave it open like that to breathe. Oh, that was actually open that way, and it's closed. There you go, guys. I'm going to put this in the fridge so it preserves the nice and coolness. Cheers. In the fridge now, right here. And the watermelon, I put it in the other fridge, but I have to put that here because the other fridge, we only use it for a few years, and we bought it brand new. It kind of something problem with it. It's not cold enough, so I put it in here in the old fridge. They're really good quality, and it's been long. It's still working really good. So well, there for you. There's one here fridge. See the condensation is not working well. I reckon you need to regas it, guys. Just die and get new one. That's what everybody do now. Here is one. Put in the other freezer. Cheers.